This time we add a text in our t-shirt design, but before this, at first I just create a circle. To do this, simply click and hold on this icon and select ellipse tool, and holding shift and dragging on this corner, simply create a new circle. Alright, now using the move tool, I just simply set it here, and after that, using this layer panel, I just simply set this ellipse under this layer 1. Alright, now I click on this text tool and hover over the mouse on this circle border. Once you see this waveline, simply click on this and type your text. This time I type wolf, WOLF. Our text is pretty small. To make this bigger, simply select this text and then using this drop down menu, choose your preferred size. This time I type 100 and set text color in black. Alright, and from this drop down menu, this time I choose athletic font, and then I just simply increase this value a little bit more, and also I also scale up this text block size. Alright, now I navigate to this path selection tool and then set this text block in middle. Now from the layer panel, I just simply hide this ellipse 1 layer and then select this text tool and click on this blank document, and this time I type squat. And after selecting this text block, I just simply decrease this value and also decrease the value of vertical scale. And then navigate to the move tool and press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode. And holding shift and dragging on this corner, I just simply make this text block smaller and then set it right here, and finally hit on done. Now from the layer panel, I just simply select this ellipse 1 and right click on it and create a duplicate layer of it. And then I just visible this copy ellipse 1 and using this move tool, I just simply set it right here. Alright, now I select this text tool and hover over the mouse. Once you see the waveline, then simply click on it. And this time I type quality clothing since 1991. And then to select all of this text, I just simply double click on this text layer and then decrease the size. So once you are satisfied with that, simply select this path selection tool, and after that simply set it in middle. Alright, so once you are satisfied with that, simply hide this ellipse 1 copy layer. Alright, in our next lecture, we will add shapes and give the finishing touch of this t-shirt design. Thank you so much for watching.